Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 38. Speed of NQ 356. Fib.NQ on the 9.
Welcome aboard, everyone. Test 1. Test 2. What exactly is ALGO, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Fib.NQ 366.
I'm Michael Odrew.
DCDMNQ on the 1.
Are you ready? That is right. Happy Tuesday. Let's get that music going to get that feeling. Don't forget, trading is risky. But if trading is for you, this might also be the place for you. I'm a few minutes late, but we are now at 9:35, 5 minutes past the US Open. I've got full auto turned on here for the moment. I am looking around where we're at on the big time frames. Looks a bit like where we were at yesterday on the 89. Still golden rope opportunity. We're going to have trades likely on both sides. I do not see AO clustering anywhere, so I'm not concerned with just some grindy trend day. So should be another wonderfully fun day. So let's take a look at pivot points we might be interested in. We got prior close way down there, which means we have moved up overnight significantly. Prior low here. What is above us? P point has been touched and 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 touched.
NQ on the 38.
So not really concerned. Like P point has been obliterated already here this morning. So spaces we're going to be looking for are prior close, prior low, big green major delta point here at 19,779.50. Mark that one up. And then there are two things going on here. We've got a J hook on a 9 and R1. So would love to see a pivot point midday and then a grind up, which would also put us back up into the golden ropes. As we know, golden ropes currently slightly up above us from the 89. And now I'm going to look for plays. Best plays are going to come outside of that golden zone. I'm going to keep this in my purview here.
Speed of NQ 365 on the 30.
And for you guys as well, obviously. Okay, there we go. Here comes a masher line right here. I'm going to press F6. So masher point right there, right around the 10. And I need to get this on 4 small so I can be appropriately sized for my current account. We are in large account territory here. Toss my 9s. Set this to always on top. Right click, always on top. There we go. It looks like my mic is doing strange things in OBS. Hopefully everything is good.
DCDMNQ on the 1.
Speaking of OBS, other things we need to set here. Let's get that super chat so I can see your beautiful messages in HD.
NQ 326 NQ on the 9.
MZ, hello my friend. Real-time protection, thank you Andrew, thank you, yes. Let's make sure real-time protection is turned off. Look at that, see it was on, I could tell. There we go, now we're off, thank you, and that's probably some of that little
Lower
gyrating
on the 38.
jigga I was getting there. Feels a bit like gaming lag. Let's see what L level we're on here. I want to be on 3 on the ones just to make sure.
NQ 292. Speed up NQ 292.
L2. We are on L3. Everybody type L3 in the chat. I am on ALGO bar 1s. Confluence level 3. Ooh, guess what we just got? A big 6.4 down here. Yep,
on the 1.
on our optimized range, 6.4 and a bull touch, and there's the push up. Wish I would have seen that. I was too busy farting around a bit here. I'll look for some continuation on that.
Target filled.
Be trying out my new hotkey buttons here today. Give you guys a show of that here in a little bit. Remind me.
162.
Okay, we're at the 940 to 950 reversal time here, so I'll be looking for a reversal up in this area. Where's the open at? Open's still down below us. Okay, double delta just showed up. Gonna look for the next play. Here comes king timing.
Speed of NQ 269.
Into the red point on the 9s.
DCDMNQ on the 1.
Okay, double cross. I'll start to look for the short here.
Target filled.
Use my naked button. Oh, it's working. Very cool. All right, first touch of my new buttons. Special shout outs to Jay Gardy. He's on vacation right now, but he actually sent me these really cool arcade buttons for my hotkeys. Super stoked.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Okay, we just got Enigma in here.
Speed
The
of
moonshot.
270.
Use my naked order button there. Coming up to P point again.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Just missed my half button. I was supposed to press half right there. Missed it because I'm moving charts around for you guys. I'm blaming you. Of course. Of course he is. Of course he's blaming us. Take count. There's the P point. I'll start selling there on the P point. And the divergence. We're about to touch the 38 bowl as well.
Speed of NQ 253. Speed
Half is blue, doubles green.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 38.
Okay, half button's not working. Ah. Oh yeah. So one note, you have to be touched into your chart for your hotkeys to work. Make sure you guys know that. Make sure that that chart is actually selected.
Touch NQ on the 38. Speed of NQ 193.
Out of the king point. Got 3 more contracts left on. See if we're going to get all the way to the Bollinger touch or not. Waiting for a green. Okay, technically that is a break of a red, so may need to close out here. We just got a crack of a red, which is a green. Yeah, they're cracking those up here. So we'll be exiting on the next green for my final runners. Okay, slide leg, slide leg.
Speed of NQ 231.
Back to touching the P point again. Got a nice juicy cross there to help us out. And we'll close it out right there. It's a green line, close enough. All right, so straight up into the P point once again. So brought it right back into where we were. What's our time? 9:46.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
And we'll go ahead and give that a shot as well. Moonshot.
Speed of NQ 184.
Add it on the structure. Oh, looks like we were just going for a push-up. Okay. That's not fun. Eye of day just up above us. Should be touching that bowl any moment here. Oh, I just lost my chart. Alright, time to get serious here.
Speed of NQ 182.
Where did my chart go? Bring it back, bring it back.
82.
Thank you. Gotta set that always on top if I'm gonna do those pushovers. Right click, always on top.
Touch NQ on the 38.
Alright, there's a level 15. Thank you.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 38.
And all the way back to my Enigma for my final runners. Let's see if we're going to get back into that zone, which looks like it's right about here. Make it nice and bright.
Speed of NQ
into the crab, and at the green point once again, Utimus. Okay, same thing as yesterday. Big wide moves. 38 range in play. Technically it's 37, but every time my NinjaTrader restarts, it keeps putting me back on 38, 38, 37. I mean, it's basically the same number.
Upper bands touch and
We're talking about this one right here, 38 range. Fully optimized range there.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Enigma short on the NQ1.
New AB meta MACV over the ripple to be extra zoomed in. What?
Speed of NQ 159.
What is AB meta?
On the 1. DCDM NQ on the 1.
Sorry, I don't follow what you're saying, bro.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
All right, I'll take the second one. First one, no worky. Second one, likely will. We'll take half off at 10. I just missed my 10. There's 17. I'll take it. And then there's a 20 and a little bit more.
Speed of NQ 100.
See if we got a 1 runner there, and we'll close it out right there. That gets me to my 4K on the day with hardly any drama whatsoever. Beautiful moves here this morning. Nice wide swathing movement, majestic. Utimus, higher time frame stuff coming into play. Cadence, 2 failed enigmas in a row. Yeah, 1, 2, and then bam, 3.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Absolutely. Alpha Trader X. So if you go into our cadence, you can count 1, count 2. Particularly in the mornings, I recommend for myself. Again, I'm always making recommendations for my younger version of myself. I'm not making you recommendations whatsoever. But we've got a 1-2 cadence in the mornings, 3 cadence in the afternoon, meaning waiting for 3 in the afternoon, 2 in the morning on these lower time frames. If you're playing purely enigmas, like just pure, nothing else, it's beautiful stuff. Now, why did this enigma fail, you figure? Pop quiz. Let's see who gets this one right. This is a little bit more advanced, looking over your charts. Why is this one to avoid, and how do I know that? Oh, it's used by, that meta phrase is used by gamers now to say they found the best configuration or best strategy. Oh, that's what meta means. I gotcha. I'm not hip enough.
190.
Yes, in the middle of the zone, absolutely missile, nailing it. It was absolutely flat in the middle of the fiddle, like flat. You could not get any more flat than that. Yeah, when we're on the flat line, one of those easy to avoid ones right there.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
All right, that one I'll go ahead and take. We're outside of it.
Target filled.
Okay, we're getting crosses at the bottom of the zone here. So that might end it. Just happen to be right at the end of that zone there.
Speed of NQ 206.
Two crosses now at the bottom of a zone. Yikes in reverse.
Reversing.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Oh boy, yikes. Okay, what to do? I'm just gonna close. I do not know what's happening here. Too much going on here at the bottom of the zone. So I'm gonna kill it. That is rare. Don't know what's happening there. And that's a zero. Double zero. I'm on L3s. Okay, something big is about to happen here.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Yeah, something big is about to go. King timing. Let's see. Bigger time frame. Got a big green dot here. Still at the P point. It may break free of that.
On the 3rd NQ on the 89. Divergence of NQ on the 9.
So, busting out of that zone. It's been that zone a while. Look for the first double cross, double move in this area. Do we have news at 10 a.m.? Somebody check me on that. We are working on a news indicator right now. I just want it to be awesome, so
287.
Let's see. 10 a.m. consumer confidence high at 10 a.m. Yes, thank you for that reminder. So 4 minutes till the news. Thank you, Yael. I like your cool profile pic. What is that cool scorpion looking thing with the diamond ring surrounding it? Some cool background texture. Looking cool, bro. Looking cool. I dig it. So,
Speed of NQ 208.
if you type exclamation mark news in our Discord chat, you can get all those.
Enigma long on the NQ1. Speed of NQ 185.
Okay, we got a minute and 45 seconds till that news, so I usually like to sit on hands 2 minutes before and 3 minutes after a news event. So let's see where we're currently at here on the morning. Here's the business. A little back and forth in our cadence catches. Teach about this in cadence and setting your mental expectations so that you can maintain your confidence throughout your trading. Play the game well. Learn to play the game well first. Then work on playing and executing on the game well. Okay, that's going to be a major point level. Wow. major point later.
Short on the
That is
NQ1.
a level 21. There's 20,000 contracts just came in right here, up through this entire leg. So this whole leg, it's actually this entire zone. So I'm going to do Control R here, remove all. Now all that matters is this leg of buying right here. Monstrosity of monstrosities. This sucker, this is going to be the level of the day, set here just before the news. Here comes news in 20 seconds.
Speed of NQ 159. Speed of NQ 159.
Okay, here comes the news. There it is.
100 spot 4, 100 at spot 4, higher than forecast 100.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 38. Upper bands touch NQ on the 38.
My pleasure, Timo.
12-month inflation expectations ticked down slightly from
Speed of NQ 532.
5.3%.
Speed of
June's
NQ
pricing responses
66.
revealed that elevated prices, especially for food and groceries,
Upper bands touch
continued to
NQ on the
impact consumers'
38.
views on the economy, followed by the labour market and US political situation.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Upper bands touch NQ on the 38. DCD and NQ on the 1 on the 38. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Upper bands touch NQ 138.
Okay, so with my rule of 3 minutes after, we still have about 40 seconds. Sit on hands here. While you're sitting on your hands, reach over there and smash that like button for me. Do it. Don't make me call your mom.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Speed of NQ 283. Enigma short on the NQ4.
Ooh. Enigma short up on the 4s. Are we in my window of time?
Upper bands touch.
We are.
38.
Alright, so Enigma level 11 just came in up top. Let's go to the top and take a look at the business. Slower time frame coming up here.
Speed of NQ 233. Speed of NQ 233. DCDM NQ on the 1.
Okay, they might just be running it out of here.
NQ on the 38.
Yeah, they used that area from before, and I'm gonna go run it. Okay, we just got a ton of alpha omegas here. Gonna call that a cluster and add in on position here. Gotta press the naked button here. What's going on? There we go. Sorry, got my keys all jacked up here. Come down to the bottom, so you see what I see down here. Cluster of crosses just showed up here. Yikes, Enigma to the long side, right back behind it. Alright, so that is going to get me in a bit of trouble here post news. Coming right into the 89 golden ropes here.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Speed of NQ 367. Fib.NQ on the 9. Touch NQ on the 38. Upper bands touch NQ on the 38. DCDM NQ on the 1.
So gonna have to get a measure on that now. That's an F8 to mid cross. Hold line way up there at almost 19.
NQ 200 and
900.
64. Divergence down NQ on the 9. Touch NQ on the 38. Fib.NQ on the 38. Fib.NQ on the 9. Speed of NQ 271.
Target filled. Reversing.
Okay, that's the first alpha omega after I move up. So I like to get long on those. Helps if I'm on the right sizing.
NQ 198. Speed of
So we got 10, we did not get 20 out of it.
DCDM NQ on the 1.
Reversing.
Okay. So this looks like we are pin barring down out of that upper zone here on the 37. So first thing I'm going to do is play that back short. And we've got Enigma to add to my position here. Let's see
Speed
if
of
that's going to help me out.
201.
Hopefully it doesn't turn into a drive. Definitely sounds like they want to. That is an unfortunate pivot for me. Okay, so that shifted very quickly. So we did not get that third bar down. And now we're pushing up. So that is now not the thought. We need to be looking at the higher pivot points. R1 is way, way up there, what we talked about from before.
Speed of NQ 222.
Okay, 89 just came into the cipher. I'll go full in here and go naked. Got the wrong buttons. Move it. There we go. Thank you. 89 on the cipher touch structure.
Divergence down along on the 38. Speed of NQ 209. DCDM NQ on the 1.
So the Mac VU has been red
Short on the
all
NQ
this
one.
time, and now we've just shifted into green. So that that's not working for my current direction on my position here. Final spot here on a moonshot short.
Speed of NQ 211. Speed of NQ 211.
Okay, gotta go halfsies on the 10. And the full follow through. Can't double too big a size for me to double in on it.
Speed of NQ
Okay, I need to draw a
193.
zone here. There's the double cross at the bottom. That gives us the bottom and the top. Okay, top of a channel with king timing. Hopefully we're going to stay inside this channel for a little bit. I see some crosses coming here at the top. Come on, give me a cross right there. Give me a cross. Touch a cross. Do it.
Speed of NQ 120. Fib.NQ on the 38.
Come on, give me a cross right there.
Speed of NQ 184.
Finally across. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Speed of NQ 210. Speed of NQ 210.
Thanks, Dork. Appreciate it, my friend.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Speed of NQ 193.
Okay, back of a shark there. Gonna have to close it up there. So big time frame up top right here, back of a shark for the final touchdown. We could start getting some movement back and forth here. Remember the big news event? Where is the big bright? Yeah, big bright zone down here. We'll see if they can defend that. This would be the place they would defend.
Speed of NQ 194.
Okay, they're breaking the back of that shark with size. Okay, let's get a measure. F8.
Fear and greed index.
Cross to cross on a 10. Remember, a 10 can oftentimes
100 also equaling fear.
give a double move there. So on a 10, I want to look for a double. That's going to be all the way down there, that little gold line right there inside. Oh shoot, sorry, I got you guys on the wrong screen.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Sorry folks, all the way zoomed in here for you. So gold line, I basically measured from this 16 to this 10, and when it's a 10, oftentimes those come in a little bit of a cluster. I'd prefer to see two of them. But if it's just a 1 and it's a level 10, we've got a zone down below us. The target Full target on that is that gold line inside of that important zone we saw from before.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 38th.
Okay, that's not good. So they pushed with audio box through a shark. So that one didn't hold. Makes the hold all the way down in there more difficult. Big time frame, we just hit a 50 cent and shark. Didn't notice that here till just a moment ago when I looked over to the right.
NQ 186.
Tunnel visioned here.
Speed of NQ 186. Lower bands touch NQ on the 38.
Remember that 89 peel off of that cipher before. Let's see what it's shaping up to do here. Hanging on that golden rope. Let's see what happens after we get a new bar there. Zoom it in nice and big so I can watch that one form.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Speed of NQ 200. Lower bands touch NQ on the 38. Speed of NQ 171.
Someone banned this stock news update, typing in nonsense that nobody knows what they're saying. Ban it. We're not interested.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 38. Speed of NQ 137.
Okay, I'll peel off half here in the event that it wants to make a run. And if I'm going to add, hopefully I can add even deeper into this for our targeting into that gold line if we're going to hit it. Add in on a cross. Here comes, they gave it a supply. Could be getting its move now. And NinjaTrader. Bless.
Speed of
You are
NQ
the wave.
106.
And lovely. So now that I've lost all my drawings, got all my bearings completely off, can't see anything. Thank you, NinjaTrader. Your devs suck. Just to remind you, in case you guys are listening.
Speed of NQ 151. Enigma long on the NQ1.
Reversing.
Speed of NQ 209.
NinjaTrader. Idiots.
Speed of NQ 116. Speed of NQ 116.
Oh yeah, no, they totally botched their latest versions. I mean, that's when they introduced all their bugs. They're retarded. They let their project managers in the room to code for them. Bunch of morons. Okay, so I took this one up a little bit after the drop down in, had to obey a blue long, ran it up, did not quite get to the Enigma target, so cut off half right here, ended up coming back here, closed it right there in front of the shark. Now we are back into, I don't even remember where my zones are anymore, lost my zones because NinjaTrader's a piece of shit.
Speed of NQ 100.
They won't fix what we've turned into them. We've literally sent them everything they need to do. They're like, we're gonna have a voting system. We voted for Joe Biden and took 17 booster shots. Our brains don't function anymore, but let's choose our brokerage.
DCDM NQ on the 1. Speed of NQ 199.
All right, that yellow zone is the 2-minute warning for 10:30. Okay, so that is likely the zone now.
Speed of NQ 205. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Wish I had my other zones I had drawn. Would have been nice. No idea where they are now.
DC.
All right, super frustrating morning here. I'm going to end it in the red here. Yeah, just not in the mood, and I'm not going to talk about it. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for hanging out for me, Pippi, Robbie, Lance from Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and Eddie B. I'm sending out the Big H Town. Catch you in the afternoon. See ya!
Fib.NQ on the 38.
The old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investors because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use, they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 38. Enigma short on the NQ1. Speed of NQ 292.
Rewind.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 38.